the quick way to iron a shirt with close-ups. Spritz all over with the water bottle. Start with the collar facing away from you, loads of steam. Point to the middle, point to the middle. Flip it over. Same again, on the outside, the visible side of the collar, point to the middle. Take the first cuff, start with the inside and go outside to the middle, outside to the middle. Flip it over. Outside to the middle, outside to the middle. Opposite cuff, same again, inside first. Flip it over, outside, the visible side of the cuff. The yoke, the shoulders of the shirt. So we use the end of the board. That's one. And that's two. The first sleeve. Start with the cuff opened and facing upwards. Find the bottom seam of the sleeve and use that as your guide. Spread it outwards, upwards and away from that. Armpit, shoulder, cuff. Flip it over. If required, do the other side. Opposite sleeve. Again, start with the open cuff facing upwards. Start with the armpit, up to the shoulder, down to the cuff. Flip it over. Same on the other side if required. Back panel first. Do this in two sections. Nice and flat, loads of steam. Up to the shoulder, across the middle, and back down. Start from the middle, up to the middle of the back, and down. The right front of the shirt with the buttons on. Up the seam, around the sleeve, down, going in between each of the buttons. Button rail, buttonhole side, all the way up, along, down. Hang it on a wooden hanger for about an hour. So that's how to quickly and perfectly iron your shirts. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Take care.